Imagine this. You step into your home and a wave of comforting fragrance washes over you. It's like a warm hug that instantly makes you feel at ease. The stresses of the day melt away as you breathe in the delightful aroma. The air is infused with a subtle sweetness, a delicate blend that feels both refreshing and soothing. It's not just any scent, it's a carefully crafted experience. There's a hint of spice like cinnamon and cloves that adds a layer of warmth and comfort. It's the promise of cozy moments to come, where every corner of your home feels inviting. This, my friends, is the magic of a simmer pot, a simple yet powerful way to transform your living space. Simmer pots are more than just a way to make your home smell amazing. They bring people together, creating an atmosphere of warmth and togetherness. They're about creating an atmosphere of feeling. It's about making memories with loved ones in a space that feels truly special. It's about taking simple, natural ingredients and transforming them into something truly special. Fresh fruits, aromatic spices, and fragrant herbs come together in a beautiful symphony. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, a simmer pot is an easy and enjoyable way to elevate your home's ambiance. It's a delightful ritual that anyone can enjoy. So, gather your favorite fruits, the ones that bring you joy and comfort, spices and herbs, and let's get simmering. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always delightful. Are you ready to create a haven of delicious scents in your own home? Let's dive in and make every moment a fragrant celebration. So, what exactly is a simmer pot? You might have heard the term but wondered what it entails. It's as simple as it sounds. A simmer pot is essentially a pot of water that you heat on your stovetop. You add fruits, spices, and herbs to the water, allowing them to release their natural fragrances as they simmer. The combination of these ingredients creates a delightful aroma that fills your home. Think of it like a natural air freshener, but so much better. Unlike synthetic air fresheners, simmer pots use real ingredients to create a more authentic and pleasing scent. Simmer pots don't just mask odors, they replace them with a welcoming aroma that permeates your entire home. Whether it's the smell of fresh oranges or the warm scent of cinnamon, your home will feel more inviting. These little pots pack a big punch. They are small but mighty, capable of transforming the atmosphere of any room. They can transform your home into a cozy retreat, a festive gathering place, or a calming sanctuary. The versatility of simmer pots makes them perfect for any occasion or season. The possibilities are endless, and the best part? You can experiment with different combinations to find your favorite scents. You can customize your simmer pot to create a scent that perfectly reflects your mood and style. Whether you prefer something citrusy, spicy, or herbal, there's a simmer pot recipe for you. One of the best things about simmer pots is that you can create them with simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Start with a base of water, then let your creativity run wild. Here are some popular ingredients to get you started. Essentials: water, citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, limes, sliced or quartered, spices, cinnamon sticks, star anise, cloves, herbs, rosemary sprigs, thyme sprigs, bay leaves. Optional additions: cranberries, fresh or frozen. Apple slices, pears, ginger, vanilla extract, pine needles, for a festive touch. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different combinations. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to assemble your simmer pot. Don't worry, it's super easy. First, fill a small saucepan or pot with water, about 3 to 4 cups. Next, add your chosen ingredients to the pot. Then, place the pot on the stovetop and bring it to a boil. After that, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 2 to 3 hours, adding more water as needed. That's it, your home will be filled with a delightful aroma in no time. Remember to keep an eye on the water level and add more as needed to prevent the pot from boiling dry. The beauty of simmer pots is their versatility. You can customize them to match the season, your mood, or even a special occasion. Spring lemon slices, rosemary sprigs, vanilla extract. Summer lime slices, thyme sprigs, strawberries. Fall orange slices, cinnamon sticks, cloves, apple slices. Winter cranberries, star anise, ginger, pine needles. These are just a few ideas to inspire you. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different combinations until you find your perfect blend. While the heavenly aroma is a major draw, simmer pots offer benefits beyond just a fragrant home. They can help to freshen the air. Simmer pots naturally neutralize unpleasant odors, leaving your home smelling clean and inviting. By using natural ingredients like citrus peels, herbs, and spices, you can avoid the harsh chemicals found in many commercial air fresheners. Create a relaxing atmosphere. The gentle simmering sounds and soothing scents can promote relaxation and reduce stress. Imagine coming home after a long day and being greeted by the calming aroma of lavender or chamomile wafting through your living space. Boost your mood. Certain scents, like citrus and cinnamon, are known to have mood-boosting properties. The invigorating smell of citrus can energize you, while the warm, comforting scent of cinnamon can evoke feelings of happiness and nostalgia. Add a festive touch. Simmer pots are a wonderful way to add a festive touch to your home during the holidays or special occasions. Imagine the delightful blend of cranberries, cloves, and pine filling the air, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere for your guests. So go ahead, indulge in the sensory delight of a simmer pot and experience the many benefits it brings to your home and well-being. Whether you're looking to freshen the air, relax, boost your mood, or add a festive touch, simmer pots are a simple and natural solution. Close your eyes and imagine the gentle bubbling of the water as it simmers on the stovetop, the soft clinking of the fruit slices against the pot, the crackling of cinnamon sticks as they release their warm, spicy aroma. These subtle sounds combined with the inviting scents create a truly immersive sensory experience. It's like ASMR for your home. The gentle, rhythmic sounds can be incredibly soothing and relaxing, helping to quiet your mind and melt away stress. So, light some candles, put on some soft music, and let the ASMR of your simmer pot transport you to a place of pure tranquility. A simmer pot is more than just a recipe. It's an invitation to slow down, savor the moment, and create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your home. It's about filling your home with not just delightful scents but also with warmth, happiness, and a touch of magic. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your favorite ingredients, put on your coziest sweater, and create a simmer pot that will transform your home into a sanctuary of pure bliss. Happy simmering!